Hi everyone, we made it through 2020! What a life-changing year it has been, huh? So, to end 2020 with a bang and begin 2021 with a fresh, minty outlook on life, I created this minty-inspired look. I do want to forewarn anyone who is going to attempt this that you might want to warm up your wrists and arms beforehand, because the success of this look is heavily dependent on blending, and you guessed it, more blending. So go get warmed up and I'll meet you back here in a minute. For this look, my complexion needed to be evened out, so I'm using a light Skin Light foundation. This is the AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream. Next, I'm concealing under my eyes with the AOA Studio Paw-Paw Collection Concealer and priming my eyes with the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. Mine's gotten a little dry, so I mixed it with some primer to reactivate and re-soften it. To achieve this look, I did need some minty colored eyeshadows, so I'm using the Mint to Be palette by Colourpop. I'll be using the entire left column plus the center shimmer shade. With a fluffy brush, I'm applying Get Fresh, which is that light minty color, and applying that in the crease, which for me is right above the fold in my eyelid, and blending it just a little bit higher. I'm also going to apply this midway on the lower lash line in the same style that I always do, which is straight out towards my ear so that there's a blank gap where the shadow does not connect. Next up is Seltzer, which is that medium minty blue, which I'm applying in the crease as well, but not as high. I'll also use this same color later on to complete the lower lash line. In the outer V crease area, I'm going to take a mix of this deep blue shade called Busted from the Dark Magic palette from Jaclyn and Morphe, and mix it with Ice Cold from the Mint to Be palette, and apply this ever so slightly on the outer V area of my crease. From the same Jaclyn palette, I'm taking a very firm brush and packing on the shade Temptress, which is that black color, all over my lid. I'm keeping this shade from going too high into the rest of the look because it can overpower it and get very messy very fast. So if you are attempting this, be careful. And here's blending attempt number 1. I repeated this process about 3 times, gradually building each color and blending it out each and every time. Here's Seltzer again being applied along the lower lash line. And using Temptress to define the lower lash line, dragging it straight out towards my ear so it has a slight point. And now for my favorite part is the glitter. I'm going to use some eyelash glue to apply the glitter to my eyelids about halfway on my lid. On top of it, I'll gradually pat on some black glitter to minimize fall. I'm using the glitter from NYX. It's very fine and multi-dimensional, although I don't think you can really tell on camera. It is really pretty though. You can totally skip the glitter if you like and substitute a shimmery metallic black shade instead. And taking the brush that had the black shadow on it with no additional color and blending in that seam between the glitter and the rest of the look. Now jumping back into the Mint to Be palette, I'm taking the center shimmer shade called Mojito Mummy and applying that to the tear duct area as well as a thin line on my lower lash line. The other eye will be completed off camera, as well as some eyeliner application, mascara, and some lashes. To help finish off this look, I'm applying some cream blush. This one is from AOA Studio in the shade Cozy. And finally some lipstick. This is also from AOA Studio their Wonder Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Divine. I actually did my eyebrows for this look as well, so here it is 100% completed. My lashes gave me some trouble on this look, so they're poking up a little bit, but oh well. I hope you guys have a great and safe new year. If you do decide to recreate this look and post it, please feel free to tag me in any social media. Our links can be found below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in 2021. Bye!